The two images we will be discussing today include an image of the suburban and the urban neighborhood, influencing neighborhood safety. The top image is a suburban photo which displays a father teaching his son how to ride a bike in a neighborhood that is safe and clean. The bottom photo is an example of a neighborhood in an urban community in which no children can learn how to ride their bikes because of the amount of garbage, graffiti, and unsafety that has prevailed in the neighborhood. Visual cognitive elements include memories, expectations, and projections, selective habits, emotional engagement, and personal experiences. When a viewer looks at an advertisement of a specific sort, all of these elements are used. When perceiving the message, a viewer will analyze the image and then use their own perceptions to understand what point is being made with the advertisement. Viewers' perceptions will differ per viewer. Cultural codes are interpretations of what we see, what each person learns from birth. We are rarely even aware that we have been taught these interpretations and codes. Cultural codes can be imposed from a cultural and social perspective, a specific geographical country perspective, a regional perspective, a location perspective, and a family perspective. When discussing semiotic signs, we discuss the different iconic, indexical, and symbolic elements of each image. Symbols involve cultural and conventions, but remember that not all symbols are universally understood. When analyzing the different images, one needs to remember that each viewer will have a different perception on each image. Cultural codes include a code that a person learns from birth, a code that imposed from a social perception, and code specific to a geography area. This includes a safety neighborhood and then an unsafe appearing neighborhood. Cultural codes are embedded in the pictures above. Visual media, communication, cognitive responses with emotional responses. When a person potentially could look at the top image and see a fun, happy, loving child and a happy, loving father, one would maybe flash back to their childhood when they learned how to ride a bike by their father. Other viewers may perceive the photo as a bad memory, knowing that no one taught them how to ride the bike, knowing that their father was never in their picture to teach them how to ride the bike. As a business advertising neighborhood safety, we need to promote the target customer's culture and dislikes and consider that when we are making the advertisement. Personal experiences will be a factor when developing these billboards because the viewers will indeed have their own personal experiences with neighborhoods and neighborhood safety. Analogical, metonymic, displace, and condense codes are all used. Different types of association where viewers make assumptions about what is being seen is metonymic. Analogical is a type of association where viewers make comparisons about what is seen. Displace code is a type of association where viewers transfer meaning from what is seen to another object. And then condensed code is a type of association where viewers combine meaning about what is seen to create a new meaning. When discussing emotional engagement between urban and suburban views in the billboard images, you want to consider the triggers that currently exist in the viewer's experiences. For example, when looking at the suburban photo of the father teaching his child how to safely ride a bike, it shows that this child's father was in the photo and was able to take time out of his day to teach his son how to ride the bike. It appears that they are taking their time to teach him in what appears to be a street. The father must have no doubt that the area is safe. The urban photo may signal that there isn't even room for a child to learn how to ride a bike because of the high amount of trash pileup along with the graffiti on the walls. Other things to remember when discussing emotional engagement include understanding what emotion you want to experience an advertisement to invoke, listening to the viewer's feedback, and identifying customers' subconscious experiences.